have explained you in brief the very important questions, the answers for the very important questions from the first chapter, that is nature and scope of management. Then I also have explained the answers for very important questions from the chapter principles of management, the second chapter in business studies, second PU. First chapter is nature and significance of management, and second chapter is principles of management. Now moving on to the third chapter, that is business environment. So like how we are surrounded by the environment, in the same way the business or the companies are surrounded by the environment. They are survived, they are surrounded, and they are surviving with the help of the environment. So these environmental factors are not controllable. You have to face that. The company has to face it, like how we are facing the corona now. So the same way the business has to face the social environment. Clear? So it is facing now at present. All the business, all the company people are facing it. The environmental changes you are observing. So even you are at home now. So you know that, you feel that. So that is the environment. The same way the business is also surrounded by the environment. Okay, now the meaning of business environment. Business environment is nothing but the surrounding, the factors surrounded by it, which will affect the business, which will affect the smooth flow of the business. It will not allow the business to run smoothly. It will uh, it will cause some damage somewhere. So these are called the factors which are not controllable. You have to face that. So that is the business environment. So in that business environment, the first one is for 5 marks, very important, practical oriented. You have to draw a pie diagram type, and you have to, in the middle you have to write the business, and you have to write all the factors round by round. Okay, so the environment around the business. So in the center it will be business. Is it clear? So there the first one, economical factors. So business you have to write, first is E, that is economical environment, economical factors. So economical factors is nothing but inflation, deflation, the change in price, and the currency losing its value by the government. Clear? So all these things are called the economical factors: inflation, deflation, and one more, that is inflation, deflation, and this one, change in interest rate, the price level changing. These are the economical. Next, moving on to the social factors, ESP, social factors is nothing but the change in the custom, practice. The changes in the custom, practice. So for example, earlier a few festivals were celebrated for so many days. Now it is reduced to a few days. Earlier it was think that it was they were celebrating for 6 or 7 days. So 7 days there were continuous business. So suddenly it is changed to 2 days or one day. So that is the change in the custom, tradition, practice. Clear? And the dressing sense. So that changes the Western life. So all these things also will affect the business, and the business has to face it. You can't say no, you have to celebrate for 8 days the festival. The business can't say. They have to face that. So that is called the social factors. Is it clear? So first one is economical, second one is social, third one is political. Political, the government changes. So earlier one government was there, their policy were different. The government changed and the policy also changed, and the business has to face that changes. So that is, it may be favorable or unfavorable. Chances are there. So that is another one, business environment. So one is economical, social, political, economical, social, political, technological. So technology also, that will change. Technology, the people need change now. The people expect change. So they will never stick on to the old version of mobile. They need new versions. So for that reason, if you have purchased a mobile in 1 or 2 years, you feel that it is old because the latest mobile has been updated. So for that reason, you feel that it is outdated, old one. So you need new one. And also in all area, you can find the changes, the new upgradation, the technological changes, scientific research is going on, continuous R&D is going on in a company. So new products you find. Clear? So that is the technological factor upgradation. And the next one is first one, economical, social, political, technological, and legal. Legal, the court may order something, or the Supreme Court may order something. So that order has to be followed by the business. So that is the last aspect. These are the factors that will affect the business, and the business has to face that. Very important for 5 marks, practical oriented, and for sometimes for 4 marks, that is explain the factors of business environment. So that is the answer I have given. I have explained it in brief. Hope you have understood. Next, coming to the LPG aspect. So that is also important for 4 marks, or sometimes for 2. Explain what do you mean by liberalization? What do you mean by LPG? So let me explain. LPG. So liberalization, privatization, globalization. What is liberalization and who framed this? This was framed by Manmohan Singh when he was the finance minister in the 1991. He was the person to sign that. So what changes you find today? What technology you are finding today? For all, he is responsible. Manmohan Singh, the finance minister during the Narasimha Rao government time. Okay? So he was the prime minister. So that the new economic policy we call. So that is LPG, liberalization, privatization, and globalization. So what the technological changes or the new innovations what you find today, that is mainly because of the new economic policy signed by Manmohan Singh. So what is liberalization? Liberalization is nothing but giving freedom. In olden days, to start an industry, it was very complicated. It took lots of time, but now it is very easy. License is given, and very quickly you can start an industry. You can have your own startup, own business also you can do. So that is liberalization, freedom. So the same thing what you feel when the teacher is present, you will be under control. When the teacher goes out, you will be liberalized, free, freedom. So that is the meaning. Next, privatization. Privatization is nothing but taking over the ownership from the government by the private. So earlier the government was the owner, it is taken over by the private. For example, you take BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, complete government company. So gradually what they will do, they will 100% their shares, they go on reducing 90%, 80%, 70%, 60%, 51. They are also government only. 51% shares, it is government company itself. Suddenly they move down to 50. Then it becomes joint undertaking, government and private. Then they will reduce again 1%, 49. So then the private will dominate there. So this is called privatization. And one more thing, the same procedure, it is called disinvestment. It is also called disinvestment. So this should be clear for you. Liberalization, privatization, and globalization. So these three things. Liberalization, giving freedom. Privatization, that is taking over the ownership from the government. It is taken over by the private. Okay? So that is called privatization. Globalization is nothing but you start selling your product at international level. Earlier you used to sell only under in India. Now you are selling it in abroad. That is called globalization. That is the promotion of export and import or entry port. So three types of trade are the foreign trade. You know it very well. Internal trade, foreign trade within the country, foreign trade between the country. In that import, export, and entry port. So three types of foreign trade are there. So one is import trade, that is buying from other country, export, selling to other country, entry port, buying from one country with an intention to sell it to another country. So hope you have understood my explanation. I have done my best. This is the small chapter, business environment, and here you are going to learn what is business environment. 2 marks, very important. Next, the factors that will affect the business. You have to draw a circle. Clear? So that is for 5 marks or 4 marks. And the third very important one, that is LPG, liberalization, privatization, and globalization. So be thorough with these all. Okay. Thank you for listening.